The Queen. As a woman, mom, and designer of Luxury Body Adornments, my favorites are waist beads. I decided to make this queen waist bead to represent my journey as a mom of now two adult children, whom I love and I am grateful to be their mom and mammy. I am very proud of them as I am myself, honoring our journey of growth. I became a mom before I became an adult. 13 years later, I became a mom again before I knew my needs and feelings and wants were valid, simply because I thought them to be. Before I knew I could trust myself to make the right decisions for myself. My journey is worth me honoring. With these waist beads, I'm honoring myself being a woman and a mom. I am a survivor that has scars that deserve to be honored as well. Queen.